Did you know a giant animal hides in African rivers? It's the hippopotamus. Hippos spend most of their day in the water. They come up for air and to graze on land at night. Their name even means river horse in Greek. Hippos are amazing creatures with lots to discover. Let's dive in and learn about these incredible animals. Get ready for some fun facts and surprises. Hippos are big. They are one of the largest land mammals on Earth. Only elephants and some rhinos are bigger. Adult hippos can grow up to 16 feet long. That's longer than a car. They can weigh up to 9,900 pounds. That's heavier than a pickup truck. And don't let their size fool you. They can run really fast on land too. Hippos are made for water. Their nostrils, eyes, and ears are on top of their head. This lets them stay underwater while still seeing, hearing, and breathing. They have webbed feet to help them swim, and they can hold their breath for a long time, up to 5 minutes. Their skin also secretes a special oil that acts like sunscreen and keeps them from getting sunburned. Hippos have amazing eyes. These eyes are not just any ordinary eyes. They are specially adapted to their semi-aquatic lifestyle. Hippos spend a lot of time in the water, and their eyes are positioned high on their heads, allowing them to see above the water while the rest of their body is submerged. This unique placement helps them stay alert to potential threats and keep an eye on their surroundings. They can see underwater and have a special membrane that protects their eyes while they swim. This membrane acts like a pair of built-in goggles, keeping their vision clear and their eyes safe from debris and harmful particles in the water. This adaptation is crucial for their survival, as it allows them to navigate through murky waters with ease. Their ears are also special. Just like their eyes, hippo ears are adapted to their aquatic environment. These ears are small but highly functional, capable of picking up sounds both above and below the water surface. This dual capability ensures that hippos can stay aware of their environment at all times. They can close their ears tight to keep water out. This is an incredible feature that prevents water from entering their ear canals while they are submerged. By closing their ears, hippos can dive and swim without the discomfort or risk of waterborne infections. And don't forget those teeth. Hippos are known for their massive mouths and impressive dental structures. Their teeth are not just for show. They play a vital role in their daily lives. Hippos have large incisors and canine teeth. These teeth are incredibly strong and sharp, designed to handle the tough vegetation that makes up their diet. Despite being herbivores, hippos have some of the most formidable teeth in the animal kingdom. These teeth can grow up to 20 inches long. That's almost as long as a human arm. Such long teeth are not just for eating. They are also a key part of their defense mechanism. They use their teeth for defense and for fighting with other hippos. In the wild, hippos can be very territorial and aggressive. Their large teeth are their primary weapons, used to assert dominance and protect their territory from intruders. These battles can be fierce and are a testament to the strength and power of these incredible animals. Section 5. Group living. Hippos have families too. Hippos are social animals. They live in groups called pods or bloats. A pod can have up to 30 hippos. The dominant male, called a bull, leads the pod. He mates with the females and protects the group. Female hippos are very protective of their babies, called calves. Section 6. Day and night. When do hippos get busy? Hippos are mostly active at night. They spend their days relaxing in the water. They come out of the water at night to graze on grass. Hippos are herbivores, which means they only eat plants. They spend several hours each night eating. They need to eat a lot to keep their big bodies going. Section 7. Hungry hippos. What's on the menu? Hippos are very hungry animals. These massive creatures have a voracious appetite that keeps them munching for hours on end. They can eat over 80 pounds of grass each night. That's right, these hefty herbivores can consume an astonishing amount of grass in just one night. Imagine eating that much salad. They use their big mouths like lawnmowers to graze on the grass. Their wide, powerful jaws are perfectly adapted for this task, allowing them to efficiently mow down large swaths of grass with each bite. Sometimes hippos will even eat fruit and vegetables if they can find them. While grass is their staple, they won't pass up the opportunity to munch on some delicious fruits or vegetables when available. This adds a bit of variety to their diet. But their main food source is grass. The vast majority of their diet consists of this green, fibrous plant. They spend most of their nights grazing, as they are primarily nocturnal feeders. Their digestive systems are specially designed to break down all that tough plant material. Hippos have a unique digestive system that allows them to process and extract nutrients from the tough, fibrous grass they consume. This system includes a multi-chambered stomach that ferments the plant material, making it easier to digest. During the day, hippos spend most of their time in the water to keep cool. The water helps them regulate their body temperature and protects their sensitive skin from the harsh sun. It's a perfect place for them to relax and digest their nightly feast. Hippos are social animals and often interact with each other while in the water. They communicate through a variety of vocalizations and body language, strengthening their social bonds. As dusk approaches, hippos leave the water and head towards the grassy fields to begin their nightly grazing. This routine is essential for their survival, as it ensures they get the necessary nutrients to maintain their large bodies. Their large feet and sturdy legs are well suited for walking long distances in search of food. Hippos can travel several miles each night to find the best grazing spots. Under the moonlight, hippos graze peacefully, their large bodies silhouetted against the night sky. It's a serene and majestic sight, showcasing the natural beauty of these incredible animals. So, the next time you think of hippos, remember their incredible appetite and the important role they play in their ecosystem. These hungry hippos are truly fascinating creatures. Section 8. Poo Power. Hippos help rivers thrive. Believe it or not, hippo poop is important. Hippos poop in the water, and it might seem gross, but it's actually good for the river. Their poop adds nutrients to the water. These nutrients help plants and algae grow, which feeds fish and other animals. So hippo poop helps the whole river ecosystem thrive. Section 9. Sharing space. Hippos and other animals. Hippos share their water holes with lots of other animals. You might see crocodiles, birds, fish, and even elephants near a hippopod. Sometimes these animals compete for food or space, but most of the time they coexist peacefully. It's important for all these animals to have access to water, especially during the dry season. Section 10. Protecting giants. Why we must help hippos. Hippos face many threats. Habitat loss, hunting, and climate change are putting hippo populations at risk. It's important that we protect these amazing animals. We can help by supporting conservation organizations that work to protect hippos and their habitats. We can also learn more about hippos and teach others about the importance of conservation. Section 11. Hippo Fact Summary. Remember these amazing things. Hippos are one of the largest land mammals on Earth. These magnificent creatures can weigh up to 3,500 kilograms, making them the third largest land mammal after elephants and white rhinos. Despite their massive size, hippos are surprisingly agile and can run at speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour on land. They spend most of their time in water to keep their massive bodies cool under the hot African sun. They can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes. This incredible ability allows them to stay submerged and hidden from predators. Hippos have a unique adaptation where their nostrils close automatically when they go underwater, preventing water from entering their lungs. They can also sleep underwater, rising to the surface to breathe without waking up. Hippos have huge teeth that can grow over 20 inches long. These formidable tusks are used primarily for defense and fighting with other hippos. Despite their herbivorous diet, their teeth are incredibly sharp and can cause serious injury. The large canines and incisors continue to grow throughout their lives, and they sharpen them by grinding against each other. They live in groups called pods and are led by a dominant male. A pod can consist of up to 30 hippos, including females and their young. The dominant male is responsible for protecting the group and maintaining order. Social bonds within the pod are strong, and members often engage in mutual grooming and other social behaviors. Hippos are herbivores and eat mostly grass. They can consume up to 40 kilograms of grass in a single night. Although they spend most of their day in water, they come out at dusk to graze on land. Their diet helps maintain the grasslands and supports other herbivores in the ecosystem. Their poop helps fertilize rivers and support the ecosystem. Hippo dung is rich in nutrients and provides essential food for fish and other aquatic organisms. This process helps maintain the health of river ecosystems and supports a diverse range of wildlife. By spreading seeds through their dung, hippos also contribute to the growth of new vegetation along riverbanks. hippos are amazing animals that need our help to survive. They face numerous threats, including habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure their survival. Protecting their natural habitats and reducing human encroachment are essential steps in preserving these incredible creatures for future generations. Let's appreciate and protect these gentle giants for generations to come. By supporting conservation programs and raising awareness about the importance of hippos, we can make a difference. Every effort counts, from reducing plastic pollution in rivers to supporting organizations that work to protect hippos and their habitats. Together, we can ensure that these magnificent animals continue to thrive in the wild.